How to create group chat on Character AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To create a group chat on Character AI, it is pretty simple. For this, you can launch a Character AI app in your device. If you have not installed it yet, make sure to install using your Play Store or App Store if you are using an iOS device. So the first step over here is to log in into your Character AI if you have not yet. Now to create a group chat, it is pretty simple. At the bottom, you will see this create icon. You can click on it. There you will see the option of group chat and tap on it. Over here, you can add the characters by typing on the character name or select your recent characters. You can also rename the group chat by tapping on the pencil icon. Then tap on the Save button and tap on Create Group Chat. After which, you can invite your friends in the group chat as well. So this is how you'll be able to invite or create group chat on Character AI. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.